Ma'am, you will sit as one of the senator judges of the per-impeachment case of Vice President Sara Duterte. But how will you ensure your impartiality considering that your name is also being floated to run against her?
Ito every time na sinabi ni dating Senate President Tito, ngayon Minority Leader, na dapat ang tamang pag-uugali namin at pag yung disposisyon ng kalooban namin ay ito talagang I take it to heart. Sabi niya noon at hanggang ngayon ganyan yung iniisip ko pag iniisip yung impeachment trial, maging impartial senator judge. What does that mean in real terms? Ibig sabihin, kasi pag pagtuloy nitong impeachment trial, first time ever namin maririnig ang ebidensyang ipepresenta ng prosecution. First time ever namin mapapakinggan yung mga witnesses na ihaharap ng prosecution sa amin. And the defense too. May mga witnesses, may mga ebidensya. First time namin may pagkakataong i-cross-examine yung mga yon if ever. So, fresh na fresh ang kaisipan namin at mga tenga para dinigin ito. And I take very seriously, we take seriously yung duty na so magdesisyon kami at bumoto batay sa makikita naming ebidensya at mga witnesses.